With Global Convention just a few weeks away, I'm going to take today to show you how you can network in the event. Networking at Global Convention can be done in two ways. You can schedule one-to-ones or join group discussions at roundtables. When you log into the event, the first thing you'll see under your welcome message is looking to network. There you can click the schedule one-to-one button, or you can click the networking tab at the top of the web page. When you click into one-to-ones, you'll get a chance to browse all of the attendees of the event. You can search by name, title, company, or you can browse the filters that you have available. You can find people by the languages they speak, by business sphere, by those that are interested in one-to-ones, or in BNI area of expertise. Once you've narrowed your search, you can scroll through and click schedule a one-to-one. You can add other attendees to that meeting, or you can just select a time that you both are available. Make sure that it's clicked that says virtual access. Add a subject to the message and what you'd like to connect about, and then send the appointment. This will go directly through to the attendee, not only inside the event, but also to their personal email. And once it's confirmed, you'll both receive a video link. If you'd like to check out an individual's profile before you schedule a one-to-one, go ahead and click the three-dot button. There you can see their profile, and again, you'll learn more information about them. Companies they work for, their titles, what languages they speak, what business sphere they work in, what areas or business spheres they're interested for one-to-ones, and lastly, what is their BNI area of expertise. The other way of networking at Global Convention is through roundtables. Roundtables are set up during a certain time and date, so make sure that you're looking at what roundtables work for you. Our roundtables will be classified by business sphere. We have 8 business spheres that will be operating roundtables every day at BNI's Global Convention. And this year we're excited, they will be in multiple languages. Depending on what day will be at Global Convention, will depict what languages the roundtables will be featured in. When you head into the roundtable page, you'll be able to search based on business sphere and language. I can go ahead and find business services, master to master, best practice sharing table, and just click the join button to jump into the table. You'll be able to see if there's individuals already at the table. If a table is full, a new table will open up so that way you can network. At any given time, if those roundtables are active, you'll have the opportunity to network with 5 other individuals at your table. It's very simple, just like you would be in a Zoom call. The best part about our networking tool is that you have access to the attendees and the one-to-one tool for 12 months after Global Convention has happened. That's right. You can go in and you can continue to search and send messages and request one-to-ones with attendees even after Global Convention has ended. So that's 2 great ways to network through scheduling one-to-ones or roundtables, and you get the one-to-one tool for 12 months after Global Convention. We look forward to seeing you at Global Convention. Don't forget to register at www.bniglobalevents.com.